check it out. It doesn't... Oh my god, this is so good. What's up everybody, I hope you're all doing well. My name is Sharlene Lowe and welcome to my channel where I share with you all things travel, fitness, fashion and beauty. So today I am going to show you how to make this Dalgona coffee. So it's the whipped creamy coffee paste, airy, beautiful kind of creamy coffee thing. It only requires 3 simple ingredients. Okay, now this blew up basically in Korea. It's inspired by this street food or street Korean candy basically, where the texture is very similar and it basically looks almost the same. So yeah, it just requires 3 simple ingredients, which is coffee, sugar and water. Okay, now if you like, you can also add milk. That's at the end, so that's not required for the actual mixture itself. That's just if you want to make a fancy drink for yourself. The milk can also be coconut milk, almond milk, whichever milk you prefer, normal milk if you wish. Yeah, I personally like coconut milk, but yeah, go for whatever you like. So yeah, let's get into the video. So first and foremost, I hope you all are safe and healthy during this quarantine time. I know it's really tough what's going on right now, but I hope you all have managed to keep safe and well. This is what has actually inspired me to start making this Dalgona coffee, because you know, it's not like we can really go out to the cafes and all that at the moment. So yeah, I just decided to spice things up at home a little bit. I actually call this my quarantine coffees, you know. Now let's go and I'll show you how to make this Dalgona coffee. Okay guys, so as I said, it's just 3 simple ingredients. The coffee must be instant coffee, because if it's any other type of coffee, it won't work. Sugar and water. So it's very easy, all you need. So basically it's a tablespoon of each. So depending on how much you want to make, it's that many tablespoons. So just say if you want to say 4 tablespoons of coffee, it's going to be 4 tablespoons of sugar and 4 tablespoons of water. Just depends how many you're making. So today I'm going to do 2. So we'll start with the coffee. So that's 1. And 2. And just in case if you're wondering, 1 tablespoon is 15 mils. So it's just like tiny bit slightly under, so it's 15 mils will do. Then, oh yeah, and with the sugar, it can be brown or white sugar, it's really up to you. Today we're using white sugar, so 2, and now the water. So 1 and 2. And now it's just whisking away. You whisk and whisk and whisk until you get the texture that you want. So as you can see now, it just looks like a normal coffee that you make. But what we want to do is we want to aerate it. So the more air that gets in, that's how we're going to get the texture that we desire. So we're just going to mix and mix and mix and mix for as long as it takes. So on average it's about 400 whisks. So if you want to count, be my guest. But I'm just gonna freestyle. Okay, so we've still got a lot of whisking to go, but as you can see, the texture has become a lot thicker and the color has actually lightened up a bit. So it's working. bicep workout.
Damn!
I'm working on my arms, I swear. It's amazing time. See, it's getting thicker. Look at the color. It looks like, it almost looks like caramel. I'm gonna have to use my left hand. I'm a right hander, but you know, tough times. Woo. Oh my god, so awkward doing it with your opposite hand. But look at the texture. It's getting thicker. Ooh, I can feel it's so airy. But still, we still need more. It's not the texture that we need. It needs to be like a foam. Look at the texture. We're almost there. Just we need a little bit more whisking. But look how thick it is. Isn't that amazing, guys? I just want to play on. And we have it, guys. We're here. Look at it. And we have our desired texture. Look at that. It's like whipped cream, but like a caramel whipped cream. It looks amazing. So this is what you are aiming for. How good does that look? Amazing. Check it out. It doesn't... Oh. Okay, now let's make our little drink. Okay, so I'm going to show you 2 ways how to enjoy this Dalgona whipped coffee mixture. So the first one is milk, and as I told you guys before, it doesn't have to be cow's milk. It can be coconut milk, almond milk, soy milk, whichever milk you prefer. And then the other option is to be completely dairy free and have just hot water. So look at this. Oh, this just looks so good. So we just pop it in. Oh, look how it just sits at the top. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm in love. Oh, this is amazing. This is just so presentable. Like if I saw this at any cafe, this would sell me. Like I'd be there. Woo. Look at that presentation. On point. Gotta start charging. Now, for the hot water. So this is just like basically a black coffee. My gosh, it even just, look how it sits on top of the hot water. And then obviously you'd mix it in to enjoy your coffee. Oh, it's so messy. Let me get rid of this whisker. Look at it. It looks like it's tea. Okay, so I'm just going to put the last little bit on top of this one, because this is more like a latte but with a coffee on top. Ooh. mean, you better give me a like for the presentation. I think that's deserved. And then this one, so what you can do is you can mix it up and then it's ready, your black coffee. And I like to leave a little bit of foam at the top. It's just a little bit more exciting. And there you go. Voila. Yummy, yummy. Oh my goodness, look what I've done. Oh, the table can have some too. So there we go, guys. We have your Dalgona coffee. Okay guys, I'm gonna go enjoy my little coffees. I really hope you all enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Do also give this recipe a try. I really want to see how it works out for you guys. Send me a picture of your end result. Send it to my Instagram and we'll have a competition. We'll compare and see whose end result was better, okay? I'm confident with mine, but let's see. I'm open to a competition with you guys. Now, most importantly, I hope you all stay safe, stay healthy and stay home and enjoy your quarantine time as much as you can. Be safe and I'll hope to see you guys all in the next video. Bye. Oh my god, this is so good.